Exercise 6.3, third question. From the top of a tower, form high the angles of depression of the top of and bottom of a vertical lamppost are observed to be 38 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the height of the lamppost. Okay, so this is the ground AB. So tower, and we have tower and lamppost. So this is tower BC. BC is tower. Next, here is a lamppost. So this is D. Next, I connect these two lines also. This is E. I mark it as E. Okay, children. Next, from the top of a tower 60 meter high. So height of the tower, that is BC, is equal to 60. BC is 60. Then angle of depression of the top and bottom of a lamppost. So this is the top of the lamppost. This is the bottom of the lamppost. Okay, children. So this is the eyesight. So from the tower to the top of the lamppost is 38 degree. So top and bottom of a lamppost is 38 degree. So this is 38 degree, means this also 38 degree. Next, bottom. So this is bottom, no? So again, this is bottom. Okay. So this is 60 degree. So mark the angles carefully, children. This is the eyesight. So top of the lamppost is 38 degree. So here alternate angles. So this I mark it as 30 degree. Then bottom of the lamppost is here. I connect these 2 points. I mark it as 60 degree. So here itself I mark it as 60 degree. Okay. Then we don't know the height of the lamppost. So that I take it as H. Then BE also H. Then totally, that is BC is equal to 60. So what is CE? CE means 60 minus H. Okay, because this is H, this is also H. So the total height is 60. This is 60 minus H. So now we take the triangles. First we take the triangle in triangle ABC. Okay, so in triangle ABC, tan 60 is equal to opposite by adjacent. So it is opposite. Opposite is BC divided by adjacent is AB. So BC is equal to 60 divided by AB. AB I take it as X. Okay, children. AB I take it as X. So 60. What is the value of tan 60? It is root 3. So root 3x cross multiply means root 3x is equal to 60. So x is equal to 60 divided by root 3. So we multiply and divide by the conjugate. 60 root 3 divided by 3. Root 3 into root 3, 3. So here we cancel. It is 20 root 3. So root 3 value is 1.732. So here I multiplied by 1.732. So the answer is 0. 2 3s are 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 4 3. Okay, then 3 decimal points. So 34.640. We get the value of x. Next we take the triangle DEC. Okay, so in triangle DEC, tan 38. So tan 38 is equal to opposite by adjacent. What is opposite? It is CE divided by adjacent is DE. So CE is equal to 60 minus H divided by DE. AB is X means DE also X. Okay. So tan 38 value is given. It is 0.7813 is equal to 60 minus H divided by x value is, we find the x value, that is 34.64, isn't it? So here I substitute the value of x, 34.64. So we multiply by 0.7813 into 34.64 is equal to 60 minus h. So we multiplied these two, we get 27.064 is equal to 60 minus h. So h is equal to 60 minus 27.064. So 60 minus 27.064, we get the answer as, here it is 9 minus 6 3, so here also 9 minus 7 2, so here 5 minus 2 3, so the answer is 32.936. So we get the value h as 32.936. But what is h? H is the height of the lamp post, isn't it? Therefore we write height of the lamp post. Height of the lamp post is equal to 32.936 meter. Thank you.